What up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome back to the Wellington Bike Park here in Breckenridge. Chris didn't even know this existed, and we're back with Chris Nabel. Nate is taking the day off, which is totally fine, and we are going to maybe learn how to do our first drop today. I'm trusting Chris with my life.
We're gonna get him over a jump.
Well, we were getting the jumps. We were getting the jumps. I think we're ready for a drop, which is like so different than like the bike going up. You don't want to nosedive it.
You ever dropped off a curb?
Yeah.
Same thing, just a little bit further.
Bigger. Oh my God. Here we go. All right, we're mountain biking. All right, you want to see the drop real quick before we go up?
Sure.
This is the drop.
Ah, you don't even need to be scared of that.
Dude, this terrifies me. Everything about this. So I always take the B line.
Oh, dude, that's tiny.
All right, Chris is gonna show me. He says it's tiny. Tiny my butt, dude. This thing is, ugh. Stomped it. When you say bounce your suspension, what do you mean? Like load it?
Yeah, like that.
Let's warm up first. But that's where I want to get to today. This is such a mellow climb.
You ready?
I think so.
Did I disappear on you?
Eventually, yeah. That berm jump, you killed that. You took it from the very top.
Those are called shark fins.
Shark fins? Okay.
I love a good shark fin.
I have no idea how to hit that either. I had you to the rock drop.
Pay attention to how much I'm diving.
Okay. I want to.
On a bike, it's very scary to get used to, but most jumps, you always touch front tire first.
Okay, that's terrifying. Okay.
Yep.
Here we go. That run felt good.
Notice how the second jump felt way faster?
That was the best I've hit the second jump, yeah.
Because you dove the front end.
Cool. Yeah, I want to do it. Your bike is so small now. Bringing out the BMX bike on the mountain bike park. All right, so I rolled up to it twice. I think I'm ready to give her a go. How much am I pulling the handles? Nothing?
Not much at all.
You hit it?
You hit that little drop down there?
All right, I got this. Oh, I did it, I did it, I did it. Oh, that was so chill. Dude, it's one of those, like, you look at it and you make it seem scarier and bigger.
Told you.
Because you're looking at it.
It actually worked on the 20, I'm shocked.
That's wild that you did on that. But I tell people this, especially at Snowboard Camp and all types of stuff, is like, don't judge a jump from the side. Like, you go up the chairlift, you see these massive snowboard jumps, and you're like, oh, like, don't judge it from the side, gotta judge it from straight on. And that was mellow. I think I'm ready to do it again. Woo!
Yeah?
Yeah, let's do it.
You want me to follow you with the camera so that you get a follow shot?
That could be cool, yeah. Chris is gonna go get his helmet mount stuff so we can throw this Insta360 onto his helmet, which, by the way, Insta360 X3 is the camera we're using. Best camera in the game. Like, I really love it. If you want one, link in the description. Use my code, get the whole snow bundle, which works for mountain biking for free. It's like a $70 value. But anyways, we're gonna put it on Chris, we can get some follow cam, which is gonna be rad. But before we do that, I want to get one more go on it while it's still fresh. I don't want to like get it, have the adrenaline, and not send it again. I like was saying, I don't want to go in the air on the bike, but now that we're out here, it's like, it's hard not to. And It's a slippery slope because mountain bike spills are rough. But when you make a living doing action sports, do you even have an option to not send it? I feel like you don't. It got sketchy by that rock. I was cruising, but we lived. Dude, I almost died on that one. All right, Chris is giving us some great information. It's because he sends it, and you should follow him. This week's adventure on YouTube. Dude has also made us some insane snowboard rails and ramps and all kinds of stuff. So go give this guy some love. He's supporting us hard. You ready to get the... My adrenaline's flying right now.
I think we need to get you over to Frisco and let you do a big drop now.
Nope.
This is one thing that if you notice, I will push him every chance I can, because
all the time, even on the summer board. He's like, come on, a little more. Come on, dude. All right, camera's on Chris's head. Big head. Okay. All right, you ready?
On you.
Here we go.
Faster, more nosedive. Yeah!
I can. I appreciate it. That was it.
Yep, that was good. Shark fin didn't look too bad.
I'd love for you to just rip one with the camera on your head.
Okay.
Shark fin was the biggest I've taken it, and it was terrifying. I'll be behind you. You just send it.
You ready?
Yeah. Your nose bonks are sick.
Yeah, I was trying to nose bonk every one of them.
I saw them. All right, with that though, Team Buckhouse, I think that's our day. We freaking learned a lot today. So as always, thank you so much for sharing with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow in another video. It's daily on this channel. We do stuff like this daily.